Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is actually the first video for my signage channel where I'm using the GoPro and going to hopefully get a cool video of today's work. And today I'm going to be going out to put some graphics on a taxi for a car garage, for a mechanic's garage. And yeah, just going to sort of document that for you guys. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So let's get moving, hit the road, get to the job, get this completed. Let's do this. Right guys, so we've made it here to the job and we're here to do this taxi as I said before. So let's get cracked on, guys. Fighting the wind, guys. The joys of a mobile vehicle livery installer. I'm actually checking the positions for all these logos through the photo on my phone, just a rough idea of how they go. So I'm checking for the positions and the order in which they all go in. As you can see, it's quite tricky, and these little brown bits are actually just registration marks for knowing the position that are pre-programmed on the computer. It cuts down a lot of time. Could you imagine actually measuring all of these on one at a time? So by doing what I've done, I've cut down a little bit of time. The simple fact of knowing what way this symbol goes, whether it was that way or that way, if you're a mechanic, you're just going to know these things. Right guys, battling the weather out here. The rain's managing to stay off. It started spitting on me for a minute, but hey, that's the battle of working in Scotland. So yeah, that's the first logo on the van. I thought I'd just show you a bit of that, and I'm going to bash on with the rest of the van, and I'll keep getting a little bit more footage. But first logo done. There's a lot of work in this logo, in the application and making of it.
Giant, we take giant steps. Giant, we take giant steps.
Again, I've left a couple of letters on to use as registration marks, because I like to make the symbols next to the phone number a different colour, tying in with the job and the rest of the colours. So in this case I have made the T and the E yellow to tie in. Using registration marks again for the matching the colours up, and it speeds the whole process up by being able to keep things in the right position without having to measure them, only having to measure the first part that goes on.
We take giant steps. Giant.
Guys, so that's one side completed, the front door done and the back door done, and then the graphics along the bottom, and now it's just the other side, the back and the front. So I'll maybe get some more footage, but I need to really bash on now, and yeah, check it out, it's looking good.
We take giant steps.
So let's crack on and get the rest of this motor done. Right guys, so that's side 2 done. So that's both sides finished. Just got the front and the back, and we're getting there now. Let's keep moving. Literally raining on me. Very slight rain. Very light rain. It's been one of those days in Scotland. The sun was out a minute ago. It's been windy. Now it's slightly raining. You get used to it. The weather actually said it wasn't going to rain, but that's good and useful, eh? I don't know why we have weather services. Yep, still battling the wind. So like the rain's gone now, the sun's coming out and it's windy. It's only been like 45 minutes. Attention to detail. I've got a little bit of vinyl caught under the edge of a letter there. A lot of people would just leave that, carry on, nobody's going to know, but I will go to the extra effort fixing that. There we have it guys, tiny little bit of vinyl got caught under the edge, and it's now spotless again. Attention to detail is what you'll get from somebody that works for themselves, and you will get it from other people as well working for large companies, but you're guaranteed to get that from somebody working for themselves. Right, so there we go guys, that's the back done. Just got the bonnet logo to go on, and we're just about complete. Let's get that bonnet finished and we'll be done. Right guys, so that's the vehicle completed, all done. Probably took about 3 hours or something. The logos are probably what took the longest, with the multicolours. I'm not actually counted, but there's about 4 colours involved in the logo throughout the whole van. But yeah, I'll let you have a look around the van just now. Sorry, not van, taxi. Too used to vans. So there you have it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more videos to come. Do me a favour, subscribe to the channel. I'm hoping to get this channel a bit more popular, so I'll be posting up jobs regularly. This is probably the calmest the weather has been. In fact, I think I can take the hood down. But yeah, this is probably the calmest the weather has been all day, and that's me finished. It was wind, it was rain. I don't mind a bit of sun, but it didn't last for long. But anyway guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Want to hopefully get this channel with a few more subscribers and get it going. Hopefully it's interesting to you guys. Yeah, it's been crazy weather. Now it's just back to the workshop, on to the next job. See what's happening, what's up next. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again. Peace.